Senior ya kana aba Ishaka Adventist College Secondary School eri kushangwa mu district ya Bushenyi bashabirwa kurgaye bakasima ruhanga bihira ha mutima ahabo kubasya habyizo byabo ebya muheru ebi bigambirwe Pastor Kule Johnson obwabira ibembiro mukoro gwo kushabira bejaba abari kuza kutandika ebigeze bya senior ya kana nyenjakare.
There are so many who are even more intelligent than you, but who dropped out of school by different circumstances. It is not your intelligence that you are a candidate today. There are so many who are born in rich families, but who are not in school today. But even when your parents are toiling for your school fees, for you are here when the sons of the rich are not here, God is making.
Ayonjire yashaba bejaba okureka baruhanga babo abebire nibashaba ngukureka misho bagatara mukama.
And we have other people who don't know how to pray. This verse is specifically, you pray in my name. Whose name? Jesus' name.
Kandwe Dr. Mary Clive or mukuru w'ishomero ya Ishaka Adventist College atuhamize kubahereza syllabus kare kandi bakahereza n'Abeegi obwire bwo kurevisinga.
Abashobora bakoze umurimo gwabo abo kuba omukwezi ko mwenda almost nanka syllabus yona tukaba twagihezise. Rero hanyuma ko mara syllabus yezo twatandika ku discussingira abana mukora mu group so ituni tutekateka abana bere bashimira kutunga babibahiga.
Asimwe Danson or mukuru w'ebyo bwegese asimira Abeegi abo kugire mu cyomerungi.
Abana bitu icyo nicyo twakirende abo bana bo kwiruka bareba bayikiraho. You can find the conducive environment.
Abeegi abutwatungo mu cyago kugambaho nabo basimira bashomesa hamwe n'abazire babo okubakwatiraho.
I'm glad that we have been dedicated today and I thank God so much that He has made it happen, and right now I feel ready and I believe that even the rest of the candidates feel ready to face the examinations, and I know that by the grace of God they're all going to excel.
I send my sincere appreciations to our parents, support us with school fees and whatever we want.
We want to thank so much our teachers, starting with the DOS, who has organized us and done everything, preparing the timetables. The teachers have also been helpful.
Makuraga Gashaka Olivia na Sasra abo Sky TV ya Genshonga omuri Bushenyi.
On that jubilee makes me happy to be looking